Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. Let's get started. It's very easy to do. Here we are on a blank design. What we need to do is click on the Apps section right here and look for the app called Embed. If we scroll down a bit further, we'll find the Embeds option. You can also use the search bar and type Embed. You'll see the app appear. Click on it, then click on it once more. Here, you'll see the option to embed media into your design. Since we're looking for a YouTube video, let's proceed with that. You can click on this, and it will show you an example. I'll do that right here. This is basically how it will look. Now, I'm going to delete that. All we need to do is paste the URL of the YouTube video right here. I already have the link, so I'll do that quickly. There it is. Now, let's click on Add to Design. Just like that, we have our video embedded. Of course, you can do this with any document or design you want. I just used a blank one to demonstrate, and that's how you can embed a YouTube video in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.